3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein.
This morning, Dr. Kim in the vlog.
Taking around to school. It's raining, of course. It rains every Friday around here. Still got some work to do today. Get some inside crap, so that's good. Alright. Yeah, boy, Friday. Sucks. Supposed to rain like all weekend. It was supposed to rain all weekend and didn't. So maybe it won't rain this weekend. Hopefully. Alright. Yeah, boy. Just picked up Ronnie from school. How your day?
Good.
You look hot.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go get a drink. Back home. I'm working on a little project. I'll show you guys in a little bit. About to go. I was at dinner, but I left my phone at the house. I didn't know where I did with it, but it was in the house, so I'm going back to dinner now. Yeah, what? Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Yeah, what?
Yeah.